Hi, my name is Martin Hauskrecht. I'm working as a head of engineering at a company called Labyrinth Labs, and today I would like to talk to you about the lifelong struggle that every person that does DevOps for a living has, and that's explaining what the hell do you actually do. So first, let me start by some introductions. Labyrinth Labs is a one-stop shop for DevOps, cloud, and Kubernetes. We have been doing this for 8+ years and currently have a team of 25 amazing people. Our mission is to transform businesses to become cloud native and future ready, to help them grow, to help them scale. And by doing so, we help them unlock new levels of agility and efficiency, drive growth, and confidently scale their products and services to meet whatever challenges the future may bring. Now, let's get to the point. Explaining what DevOps actually is not that easy. I'm sure that many of you have tried it in the past. And when somebody asks what you do for a living, it's always difficult, no matter who the other person is. Usually start by saying that you're a DevOps engineer, right? Because that's who you are. You work with the cloud, you work with infrastructure, you deploy applications. But usually when you say that you work with cloud, people don't really get it. I don't know about you, but when I try it, usually the discussion comes to the topic of storing photos in Dropbox or in iCloud. And it always comes to some cloud-related topic, but they never really truly get it. So you can even try to define it and say what DevOps actually is, and that you work on infrastructure, that you manage containers, you manage clusters, that you automate, you do observability, but nobody will truly understand this. And I want it to explain it in a way that even somebody like your grandma will understand. So all of what I've mentioned before is true. You manage clusters, you work with clouds, but DevOps people are also builders. We are architects, we are engineers, we are craftsmen, we build bridges, we build tunnels, we build houses, just not in the traditional way. When we start building, it can be rough. You can find yourself having to take care about some pile of shit left by previous guys, or having to work with limited resources or budgets. But what we always do is that we design and we architect, the same way as in the ordinary world. We take care in preparations for our projects. We test them, we validate them. We also build new stuff, the same way as we build houses, as we build bridges, as we build tunnels. We build infrastructure resource by resource, brick by brick, until we tie it in some working unit. We also automate and we optimize. The same way as your grandma's house can light up when somebody walks in, the same way as we can take care of some repetitive tasks in the real world. But I think what we do most importantly is that we lay foundations. We build strong foundations others can build on top of. We build them so other people can come in it and build their applications, their products on top of our work. So their game, their store, their service is something that it can rely on. Now, at Labs, we also try to do things in our way, the way we can be proud of. When we do our work, we never address the symptoms of a problem. We always look for the root cause. We're not trying to replace the bulb that's cracking. We're trying to replace the light itself. We try not to repeat ourselves. We want to do our work efficiently. That's why we build infrastructures with stackable modules, so we can extend it, we can scale it. We also help people to move your applications to the new house that you've built, the same way you would move your furniture. And if it needs adjustments because it doesn't fit anymore, we can also help you with that. Most importantly, we try to avoid the stuff that people don't like, the boring, the repeatable stuff like recurring issues, spinning of resources you have spun 1,000 times already. And we do our work in the way that it can help us move forward. So we can learn, we can level up. So the next time somebody asks you what is DevOps, tell them that's about building foundations. Tell them it's about providing a peace of mind, and tell them it's about responsibility and cooperation. Because thanks to DevOps, your grandma can watch your TV streams at home. And when they ask you who you are, tell them that you're a builder. Because we are builders, and we always build something new and something interesting. So when someone asks you what DevOps is, just tell them that we're the builders that lay the digital foundations that make everything else possible. Thank you.